Now we are going to assemble the caliper and the rotor together. So we are going to open new assembly. Okay. So we are going to insert brake caliper as well as the rotor. Open. Okay. So this is our caliper and this is our rotor. Okay. So first, okay, we have to open this sketch so that we can see the circle. Okay, how to do this? To open and close, we can hide. Okay, let's say I click this one, I click, so this eye. Okay, once I click, it is disappears, so this only caliper and rotor. Okay, so now I'm going to fix the caliper. Okay, now it's fixed. I'm going to make the rotor floating, so it's floating, so meaning I can move. The caliper I cannot move, right? So now the only thing that I can make my rotor to this caliper is to open the first sketch of the caliper. Okay, so I open the part. So on the first sketch I have to show this one. Okay, once shown, then I close, yes, and then here it is. Now we can make the rotor to the caliper. So we just select the edge, okay, and this construction line and make them concentric, right? Check. So once they are concentric, okay, now we are going to make the distance of this space and to this space. Okay, so I put a distance. So the thickness of our brake pad is 15 mm, so I put a distance of 15 mm. All right, and then check. Now the caliper and rotor is already assembled together, so we can see there is a clearance here. It's okay. On this side, okay, it's a bit touching, so there, oh no, it's got a clearance as well. All right, so now we can see, we can now hide this sketch. We check, then we hide this sketch by clicking the eye. All right, now it's hidden. Now we can now rotate the rotor on the caliper. Okay, so that's it in assembling the rotor to the caliper.